Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. My name is ShockZ and today I am teaching PFS snare. If you like beatboxing, subscribe and don't forget to like the video to push your channel, and don't forget that click that notification bell to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So the PFS snare, it's the combination of two words, P, a percussive P and a percussive F. And I wanted to make it easier for you to learn, so I divided it in three steps, three very easy steps for you to learn. Let's go. The first step, it's a percussive P, or the kick that I have a tutorial for it, that the link is up here. If you haven't watched, go and watch it and come back again. It's a percussive P sound. You can use your lungs in this sound and you can make just with your muscles the sound. The second step is F, or we call it F snare. It's very easy. I'm sure you all can do it very easily. It's a The third and the last step is to combining those two sounds together. That's B and F. It sounds like something like this. It's percussive. Pay attention. It's percussive. Don't make it too long. Don't say. You can use it, but it's not PFS, or it's something else. It's finish. A P and a F and finish like that. For this sound, you can hum and say that PFS snare like, or you can use your lungs to make it more powerful and make some different things in another beats. Like if you want to use your lungs, it will be more powerful like this. So we have some beats with this sound, and the last sounds that I have taught you in those videos, that the link is up here again, and you can watch them and do these beats with that sound and this sound. So let's go. That was it. If you like this video and you learned something, please like this video and don't forget to subscribe. And don't forget to click that notification bell, and have a nice day.